Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and once again we are doing a chicken video. I'm sure someone out here is wondering why she always doing chicken. Why is she okay? Chicken is one of those things that I really love. Like, I can have chicken any time of the day, anywhere, and it's one of those things that you can cook in 1,000 or 1,000,000 more other ways. So today we are going to be making chicken legs in the oven. I wouldn't call it a barbecue because this is more like freestyle. You just have to season your chicken, let it sit for a while, and then stuck it in the oven and forget about it. So we're going to season the chicken legs with mixed spices that I am going to be writing in detail in the description box. You must check it out if you want to know what the mixed spices were in that bowl. Okay, what we have already put here, like what were they. Then we put in some salt to taste. You put in according to what you like. Put in some cooking oil so that spices can stick to the chicken. Then we're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 full tablespoon of honey. You can choose to leave the honey out because doesn't really make that significant change, just that it makes it a little sticky and balances out the salty and the sweetness. So yeah, we're just going to mix this all together up and let this chicken sit. If possible, you can do this overnight and you leave it in the fridge if you're going to do it like the next morning. But if you're going to do it in like 4 days or 5 days, you can just put it in the freezer and it will be there. And trust me, the longer it stays, the better the flavors infuse. So you will have a good taste if you marinate your chicken like this and leave it to stay for some time. So once we are done with this, we are going to grease our pan or our dish, a baking bowl, whatever you're going to use to bake this, with some oil using a brush so that it doesn't really burn off immediately, because at the end of the day we are going to drain everything oily out. That's why I did not even shave off the fat or like trim off the fat of the chicken. So we're going to put this chicken in here. You can add in garlic. At this stage you can just put in garlic for flavors, and yeah, you're good to go. But this particular recipe, I told you, it's freelance. You can just do anything with it. Once our chicken is set and looking this already cute like me and chicken, you just have to get this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Cover it up and leave it there for like 35 to 40 minutes before turning it and removing the extra fat. So this is how it's looking at 35 minutes. It's been going under 180 degrees Celsius, remember. So we are going to add in some rosemary, fresh rosemary for flavor, and cover this up again for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is how much juice has been released, and we are going to remove the chicken from the tray. Or you can do the long process and you just scoop off use a spoon and remove this fat and soup. So for me, I'm going to remove the chicken, put it aside, and then drain the liquid out into another bowl. So you can see that extra fat, the oil we had put on the pan. And this time around, you're going to put back the chicken skin side down. So we let this other part also receive the heat, and yeah, this is how juicy it's looking. I'm sure you can, I just love chicken. So this is how we are looking, and thank you so much guys for watching up until this time. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for sharing, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, and always showing up to view my latest videos. If you're a new subscriber or you're just new here, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this link with your friends. Guys, let's grow together. We are about to reach the target 1000. Okay, so see you soon. Bye.